Hello, friends, and all our IC members. Welcome. And this is first time I am approaching you. This is first time I am addressing you, and this is because all of us are stuck at our homes thanks to coronavirus. This is a kind of epidemic which has brought the entire world to a standstill. It has created problems for everybody. I understand that, but nobody wants to sit at home because earning money is not easy. And for this is my appeal. This is a kind of an appeal to all our fellow cricketers, all our IC members, that some of our cricketers who are struggling, who don't have pension, who are past their 60 years of age, they got no pension, they got no means of income, and who are struggling to make both ends meet. So this is a kind of an initiative by ICA to help those people, the people who are struggling. We are kind of a shortlist, 5 guys at least from each zone, at least 25 people. So for that, we'll need a little bit of your support, little bit of your help. If all of us can contribute, minimum 1,000 rupees. If you can contribute more, you are always welcome. But if you minimum 1,000 rupees, it will go in a long way in supporting those people, those former cricketers who's played 10 matches, less number of matches, or who are struggling. So the ICA, I know we got 2 crores from the BCCI. In fact, we got 1.35 because 65 was given to the backlog of on the expenditure which was incurred by BCCI for ICA. So all in all, we'll need in this hour of need to get together, collectively. This is not my association. This is our association. This is the association we all have to pool it together. So this is kind of a start. This is where ICA can put its first step in the right direction. So this is my appeal to all of you to try and at least put in 1,000 rupees. We will send you the account in a day or two, and you can send the money to that account. So once this money is in the bank, we have already on the verge of shortlisting these guys. In 4-5 days, all these guys will be shortlisted, and then the money will be sent to their respective accounts. I'm not saying if we collect, this is a short-term thing. This is not a pension. This is only during the coronavirus. We're going to help the needy cricketers. This is what we're going to do. So this is kind of a start. So after that, if whatever money is left, that can be utilized for the needy cricketers who are either hospitalized or like the case of Jacob Martin. There are other cases also. Needy cricketers or first-class cricketers, the widows, we can probably help them. So there'll be a lot of things we can do. So we'll have a kind of a funds which should be ready to help them. And to start this fund, the ICA is putting 10 to 15 lakhs in this fund. So on top of that, if we all put in 1,000 rupees or more, which help us, and if we can collect 25, 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs, which will help us in bailing these cricketers in need. So I hope we all come together. If they say one for all for one. That kind of an attitude if we have, we all can help our fellow cricketers, needy cricketers who were good cricketers. Probably they did not have their best time on the cricketing field or did not play for longer period of time. There's some other cricketers who have played first class cricket for 10, 15 games but could not make it big. So we can help them in this hour of need. So my request to you, my appeal to you is if we all can contribute. I'll come back to you in a day or two with the account number as well, and hope we all contribute. And if your friends, your well-wishers, there's a lot of businessmen who love former cricketers, who are fans of former cricket, and the former cricketers as well. Big former cricketers I'm talking about. If they can also join us, it'll be great help in this need of ours. I'll come back to you. Till then, bye bye.